And here are the speakers that come with the Denon D-M38. These are very nice speakers, feel very solid, pretty heavy actually. The texture of the wood feels and looks pretty nice compared to some other models that I was comparing this to. This feels very nice, and the speaker cover is very sturdy, and the cloth, it doesn't feel like it's gonna tear. There was one other speaker that I saw, the cloth in the middle didn't have any backing support, so you could push your finger in there and it felt like it was very prone to being torn. But this is pretty solid. It's very strong. Let me take the cover off, show you the actual speaker drivers. So as you can see, this is pretty well supported, so you're not going to have any problems with this getting damaged. Here's your typical Denon tweeter. I'm not sure about the sizes. You have to refer to the manual to get the exact size of the driver. And this is a very nice looking driver. It's what they call the convex. I don't remember the name. Looks very nice. And let me turn this around and show you the back of the speaker as well, so you can see the information there. Maybe not. And it's very nice how these sit in there, so if you're putting it against the wall, it doesn't have any thing that you can connect this to the wall. I guess you wouldn't want to because these are too heavy, but it's nice that these sit in, so if you put it against the wall, the connectors are not going to be sticking out. And again, you have to stick the cable behind these and tighten them, but you can also use banana plugs if you don't want to do that. And I guess this is for the bass sound. There are two I guess spongy things that come with the speakers, and the manual says that you can stick them in there if you're putting these against a wall or in a corner. That's gonna increase the emphasis on the bass, and if you don't want that, you can use those spongy things to basically address that issue. And these are the speakers.